Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. Just wanted to do a follow-up video on a video we did a couple of weeks ago in regards to this Caddy. So it's a VW Caddy here. It's a 2014 with the 1.2 turbo petrol Caddy van, and it had a coolant leak, and we had to track down where the coolant leak was. We mentioned in the video that it was in the actual inlet manifold as a water cooler or air cooler, a water air cool for the turbo or for the intake air temperature. So this is where we've just got it stripped down now. We've got the new parts available to us. So here's the actual sort of mini radiator that sits in the inlet manifold, and that then allows it to cool the incoming air which is coming off the turbo. And there's our new part. But interestingly enough, it runs an additional radiator. So you've got two radiators, one for the engine temperature, your normal engine temperature, one in front of it, which is running the air through it, which ultimately goes through this one. So the water going through this cooler is at much lower temperature than your engine temperature, and allows that to occur because we've got the additional radiator at the front of the car. So fairly common problem leaking wise. So if you've got one of these and you're losing coolant and you can't really work out where it is, more than likely it's going to be in this particular device. In the previous video we just bypassed it to make sure that we had the diagnosis correct, which was right. So now it's come back in for us to repair it. But a good, interesting and a successful diagnosis in this case for this cooler. So just keep an eye out for it on these 1.2 litre in the VW range. See you next time.